Poppa here. So what I'm going to do is this crazy idea I had for a baked potato bowl. What I'm going to do is do a nice baked potato. Let's prep it up now. I've shown you this before. This is the trash bag potato, little Louis, olive oil. We're going to shake it all up. We have a nice New York steak. We're going to put double secret on it. 3 cookers, the Mac 2-star, the S&S Kamado. Look at how we're going to do these little Louis onions. We're going to put just a little desert gold in here and a dash of little Louis, a little bit of olive oil. Then we're going to wrap them up, and these are going to go on the Mac. Let's do the little asparagus tips. Desert gold. Let's squeeze a lemon off my tree. I like baggies a lot for cooking, for prepping, for holding things, but this is so great, especially outside. Cash cow mushrooms are among my favorite things in the world. It just adds almost an umami to umami because mushrooms have got the umami. Easy for me to say, Papa. Look at that. Roll them up, and again, like I said, we're going to cook these on the Mac in the foil pouch. But the potatoes are going to take 40 minutes, so 20 minutes into it, 25 minutes into the potatoes, I'm going to put both the mushrooms and the onions on the Mac. We're going to go right on the coals this time. No reverse sear. But I'm going to close it up, check it about 5 minutes, flip it, 5 minutes, flip it and turn, 5 minutes, flip it and turn. In the meantime, I'll be cooking all this other stuff that you'll just love. Okay, let's do this. Oh, I love this. Look at this. No wonder, no worry. I got enough butter on that. Put the cheese there next so it gets a good chance of melting. And the crema. Slice the steak up. Put the mushroom and onion juice in there. Oh, this is fun.